And that is perfect. Spot on. That's awesome. All right. I'm excited now. I'm working on a project that's pretty cool. It has gone exactly how I planned. I mean, have you ever had a project go exactly how you planned? Me neither. Like, this is going to be the first time that I got through the whole thing and nothing went wrong. I mean, I measured carefully. I double checked everything, triple checked everything. For this final piece, I'm even using calipers to make sure that a scrap piece of wood is exactly the right thickness so that I don't mess up these last two pieces, because they got to fit with something else and they got to be perfect. But so far, everything is going great. I haven't made any mistakes, haven't had any problems with tool calibration, haven't had any issues with wood movement. Like, this is just the perfect project and the perfect day. And I am just so happy I can share this with you guys. I mean, it's awesome. So I'm about to plane these last two pieces and show you what I'm working on, because it is just, it's great. Today is a great day. Okay, let's go. Now! And there you go. I have idiot-proofed one more thing in my workshop. It is smooth sailing for the Snecker Show from here on out.